Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Natnam. Hello, Natnam.
Teacher.
Hello, good evening to you. How are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy. I'm happy to see you too. Okay. All right, Natnam.
Yes.
Let's have a quick review. Okay. Here, let's review the names of the animals. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. I
Okay.
can.
Yes. Let's do it. What animal is this?
It's a row.
Oh, that's correct. It's a goat. Check. What animals are these?
It's a hen.
Oh, letter S.
It's a sheep.
Sheep. Yes, they are sheep. How about these animals? What are they?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Okay. How about this animal? What are these?
It's a chicken.
They are chicken. That's correct. And last one. What are they? Letter P. Letter P.
Pig.
Pigs. Okay, correct. Okay, so we have goats, sheep, horse, chicken, and pigs. 5 animals. Let's go. Next one is right there. So we're going to spell them. Tell me which word and pick the letter. Let's start with H. Okay, let's move this
Yes.
one. Let's start with letter H.
Horse. Horse.
Oh, that's
Horse.
correct. Horse is letter H. Good job.
Horse.
A horse. How about letter P? What animal starts with letter P? A
A
pig.
pig.
Okay, oink oink. How about letter C? Chi?
A chicken.
Chicken. Okay, that's correct. Chicken is letter P. G.
Go.
A goat. Letter G. Okay, and what's letter S? Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep is letter S. Oh, good job. You remember all of them. Okay. All right. So we're done with this one. We have horse, pig, chicken, goat, and sheep. Okay. So our next lesson is
Yes.
about wild animals. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
I'll show you wild animals. Listen. Right. Oh, it's still loading. Wait a minute. Right. So these are wild animals. Oh, there. Wild animals. Let's talk about them. I'll open this. Okay. I'm going to circle something, right? I want you to circle lions.
Lion.
Yes, where are the lions? Oh, correct. Where are the zebra? Zebra. Okay, zebras. Elephants. Elephants. Oh, correct. Giraffe. Giraffe. Long neck. Giraffes. Oh, is that giraffe? That's tiger, right?
No.
Yes, this one is giraffe. And last one is a rhino. Rhino. Oh, rhino is just one. Let's clear this. Okay. So not now. We're going to practice there is and there are. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, that's our grammar for today. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's go. Natnam. This one is a warm up. Let's name all of them first. Okay. So click on the animals your tutor asked. Oh, so I want you to circle them instead. Okay. Where is the cow? Where's the cow?
Cow.
Yes, there's the cow. Where is the dog? Where's the dog? Okay. And where is the giraffe? Giraffe. Oh, correct. Okay. So this time, I will circle. You tell me the name. Then I will circle, and you will tell me its name. Okay.
Yes.
All right. I will clear this one, and I will circle this animal. What animal is this?
It is a 11.
As it is an elephant. Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
Very good. It is an.
It is an elephant.
Okay, very good. How about what animal is this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay, let's use this. Okay. This is a
It is a
tiger.
tiger.
Okay, what else? Okay, last animal. What is this animal?
It is a 11.
Is it an elephant or a lion?
Lion. Lion.
Lion. Okay. Let's say
Lion.
this is a
It is
lion.
a lion.
Yes, I like lions. Lions are very strong. Yes, very strong. Okay. Now let's clear this one. Next page is let's learn.
A
Okay.
lion.
A lion. Oh, not now. Let's practice this one. Let's practice the phrase uh there is. Okay, we're going to use there is. Okay, there is a lion. Okay, there is an elephant. Okay,
Um,
okay.
um,
Let's practice there is.
okay.
What's this? There's a
I don't know.
oh say giraffe. There's a giraffe.
Giraffes.
Yes,
Giraffes.
giraffe. Okay, what's there?
Zebra.
Okay, very good. Say there's a zebra.
Zebra.
Okay. This one is
Rhino.
a rhino. That's correct. Uh,
Tiger.
a tiger. And
11.
elephant. Okay, very good. So don't forget their names. We're going to practice them, okay? Okay, so let's practice that them. I am going to say and you will circle. Okay. Right.
Yes.
I want you to circle a rhino. Where's the rhino?
Rhino.
Circle the rhino. Okay, correct. Circle elephant. Elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Oh, that's a square. A circle. Right. I want you to circle zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra. Yes, that's correct. Circle. Oh,
Zebra.
this one's an elephant. Okay. Good job, Natnam. Let's clear this one. Let's go. We're going to have a quiz. Click on the picture that your tutor named. Okay? Right, listen.
Yes.
I want you to circle the tiger. Where's the tiger? This one, 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 this one. Which one? Tiger, 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 tiger. That is correct. That is a tiger. Good job. Next one, Natnam. I want you to circle. Okay. This one. The elephant. Where's the elephant? Oh, in the middle? Elephant. This one? Okay, this one is the elephant. Very good. Let's clear this one. Now, left side, I want you to circle the giraffe. Where's the giraffe? Giraffe. Okay, this one is the giraffe. Okay, giraffe has a long neck. Okay, and the spots are color brown. Let's clear this one. Okay, let's go Natnem. Okay,
Zebra.
Natman. Oh yes, this one's a zebra. Okay, good. Let's clear. Okay, so Natman, we're going to practice a grammar. Okay, we're going to
Yes.
practice there is. Okay, okay. There is a giraffe. Read it me.
There is a giraffe.
Okay, we're going to use there is if it's just one. Okay, there is for one animal.
There is one animal.
Yes, very good. Now let's clear this one. Okay, now, oh, there's a lot. How many giraffes? How many giraffes are there? Okay, that's four. Correct. All right, so we're going to use there are. Okay, there
There
are
are
giraffes.
giraffes.
Yes, with letter S. Very good. Let's have this one. Oh, just one. There is
Zebra.
a zebra because only one zebra, right? Very good. One, two. How many? Two. 13. Just three, right? Three zebras. Okay.
Zebra.
Three zebras, not 13. Okay. Let's read say there are zebras.
There are
Zebras.
zebras.
Yes, with letter S because more than one. Okay. One elephant we're going to use. There is
There is an elephant.
yes, we're going to use an for elephant. There is an elephant. Okay, very good.
Elephant.
Okay, let's count again, not men. How many elephants are there?
Three elephants.
Yes, very good. There are three elephants. Good job.
Elephant.
Okay. One elephant, two elephant. Where's the third? Where's the third one? Here. That's the third elephant. So three elephants.
Elephant.
Okay, very good. Let's clear this. Let's make it smaller. Exercise number 5. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to use or are.
It is
Ready?
there.
Okay. One. There is or there are a lion.
It I.
Yes, very good. Is the right answer. There is a
Is.
lion. Okay, because it's just one lion. Okay. Next one is we're going to practice again. 2. So there is or are lions. Which one? Is or are? Okay, let's read.
Are 2 lions.
Yes, very good. There are 2 lions. We're going to use are. Because there's 2 of them. Let's use the eraser. Next one. Oh, is or are? There. Go Nathan. There is or are a tiger. Is or are?
Tiger.
Oh, we're going to use is. There is a tiger.
A tiger.
Yes, we use is for one thing, one animal. Now let's have this one. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 3 tigers. Sheep. There. Can you write it? There
There
are
are
tigers.
tigers.
Yes, because there's 1, there's 2, there's 3 tigers. That's why we use are. Okay. Let's remove this one. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Okay. So just a quick review. Okay. Use is if it's 1. There. Okay. If it's 1. We use are if it's more than 1. Okay. All right. Let's go. Not min. Oh, 1 rhino. There.
There are 1 rhino.
Oh, is it is
There
1?
are 1 rhino.
Yes. It's only 1 rhino, right? So we're going to use is 1 rhino. Okay. So one more time. There is a rhino. Okay. There is.
A rhino.
Yes, we're going to use is. Check. Let's remove this one. Okay, let's try it without. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 rhinos. What will you use? Is or are? There is a rhino or there are rhinos?
Eyes. Eyes.
Are. Okay, very good. That's correct. Now, let's read that, man. Say, there are
There are
rhinos.
rhino.
Yes, with letter S. That is correct. Let's clear this one. Let's go, Natman. To give answers that fit in blank 1, 2, 6. Let's practice. Click on as many animals as you can. Wait, ask in 10 seconds. Right, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will circle. Tell me the name. Okay. So 3 question. What animal is this?
Chicken.
It's a chicken. Okay, 1 point. Okay, what animal is this?
It's a rhino.
Oh, 2 points. Okay. What animal is this?
It's a 11.
Elephant. That's 3. Oh, what's this animal?
I don't know.
Oh, you forgot. It's a parrot. Parrot.
Tetris.
Yes, a talking bird is a parrot. Okay, let's clear. Okay, what else? Oh, let's talk about these animals. Do you remember this animal? What's this?
Horse.
This is a horse. That's correct. What's this? Letter G.
It is a goat.
A goat. And how about this animal? What's
It
this?
is a hamster.
It's a hamster. Very good. Now let's have extra practice. Exercise 7 is what do you see? Now, oh, that meant we're going to practice. Okay, use there is blah 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 and there are. Okay, 2 sentences. For example, there are 6
There
lions.
lion.
That's right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Six.
That's why we use 6 lion. Are you ready?
Lion.
Okay, let's practice. Okay, give me a sentence.
One lion.
Oh, is that lion or giraffe? Okay, we use there
Giraffe.
is
There is
a
a
giraffe.
giraffe.
Yes, because it's just one. How about this one? Oh, count. How many?
A five giraffe.
Okay, very good. We're going to use there are. Okay, one more
There
time.
are five giraffes.
Good job. There are 5
Giraffe.
giraffes with letter S. Good job. Let's clear this one. Oh, go that thing. Give me a sentence. How many elephants are there?
Three elephants.
Oh, start with there.
I
There are 3
three
elephants.
elephants.
Okay, very good. Let's clear this one. Oh, a lot. Okay. How many tigers are there?
Seven.
Okay. 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Let's practice. There are 7
Seven.
Thai
Nine.
tigers.
Tigers.
Yes, okay. So now, men, don't forget the letter S, right? Tigers.
Tigers.
Let's try this one. Do you remember this one? How many zebras are there?
Zebra.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct. Let's make a sentence. Say, there are
There are eight zebra.
zebras. Okay, with letter S.
Zebra.
Next one.
Zebra.
Oh, it's just one. What's our sentence? There
There are one zebra.
There are or is?
Yes.
Is. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, you can say there is one or
Zebra.
there is a zebra.
A zebra.
Okay, they are both correct. Here, this one. How about, oh, it's finished. Okay, now we're going to practice. Namin, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
Oh, I am. Yes, I am. Okay. Give
Yes,
me
I am.
Give me an animal with letter T. Tiger. Oh, yes, that's correct. Tiger. That's an animal in letter T. Letter E. Eh?
Elephant.
Okay, elephant. That's correct. Letter L. La.
Lion.
Lion. Okay. Letter G. G. R. Giraffe.
Giraffes.
Giraffe. And there's one. Go. There's a goat, right? And go.
Goat.
Okay, thank you, Natmin. Next lesson, we're going to do the next letter. Okay? And wild animals, part 2. Okay? So thank you for your time. Thank you, Mommy. Okay.
Thank
Goodbye.
you, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.